Hold Hangcha in your hands. Download Hangcha forklift app from App Store and Google Play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Hangcha TV. Glad to see you again. I'm Vishindi. In last video, we have learned the aspect and performance of the boom lift, and today we will show you how to operate the boom lift. And this is my colleague, Mr. Shen. He will help us to operate the machine. To ensure the security of the machine, we have set multi-brake switch. So before the machine gets power, we need to open the main power switch, the emergency switch on basket control, the emergency switch on base control, and the key switch. Okay, now let's do the movements in base control. Lift the first arm. Then lower the first arm. Lift the second arm. Lower the second arm. Now is telescopic arm. Next, the swing arm. With this storage mode, the length of the machine is about 3.7 meters and the height is about 2.10 meters. Just now we have seen the base control performance. Now we are going to do the basket control. First, turn the select switch to basket control. Then we will enter the basket. Turn the switch corresponding to the arm that you want to operate. Now is the first arm. We use the joystick to control the arm. Push the joystick is lifting. Pull it is lowering down. The swing arm. The pallet rotation. The basket rotation. Pay attention, if you don't operate the machine for a few minutes, we need to react the machine, and this is to prevent accidentally touch. Next, basket control for traveling. Turn the travel switch, the light is on, then use the joystick. Push is traveling forward, pull is traveling backward. The two small switches on the joystick is for steering. Comparing with the scissor lifts, The boom lifts can finish the scissor lift's work and even work crossing the obstacles. It can also do multi-point working. The working scope is larger than scissor lifts. Hangcha articulating booms also adapt to different working conditions, especially the GTHZ 170C. This model has rough terrain tires, stronger torque, faster speed, and improved gradability. Okay, that's all for today's instruction. Don't forget, Hangcha platform is on great promotion these days. So contact our sales team to get more information. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.
If you like our videos, please click to subscribe and share. Search Hangcha Forklift on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram to see more videos.